In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix overlapping in Canva. If your text, images, or design elements are sitting on top of each other and making your layout look messy, don't worry. Canva has built-in tools that make this much easier to fix than constantly dragging things around by hand. I'll walk you through how to clean up overlapping layers, improve spacing, and export your finished design with confidence. First, open Canva and go to your design from the home dashboard. Find the project you want to edit and open it so you're inside the main editor. Once your canvas is visible, click on the specific element that's overlapping with something else. When it's selected, you'll see the outline around it, which confirms that Canva is ready for you to edit that item. If one element is stuck underneath another and you can't easily select it on the page, use Canva's position tool instead of moving everything manually. Click on any visible object on that page, then go up to the top toolbar and select Position. In the panel that opens, choose Layers. This gives you a full list of every object on that page in stack order. From here, you can drag the hidden or blocked element higher in the layer list so it appears above the other item. This is one of the fastest ways to fix overlap issues without disrupting the rest of your layout. Next, if the problem is happening inside a text box and the lines of text are too close together, click on that text box to highlight it. Then look for the spacing control in the text toolbar. Open it, find the line spacing option, and slowly drag the slider to the right. As you do that, Canva will add more vertical space between each line, which helps crowded paragraphs become much easier to read. If several objects are overlapping across the page, select them together by clicking and dragging a box around all of them. Then go back to Position and look for the alignment section. Choose Tidy Up. Canva will automatically space those selected elements more evenly, which is especially useful for buttons, labels, icons, or separate text boxes that need a cleaner arrangement. Before exporting, do a quick final check. Move elements slightly and watch for Canva's alignment guides to appear. These visual guides help you snap items into clean positions and keep your design balanced. When everything looks right, go to Share, then Download. Choose PNG if the design is for digital use, or PDF print if you want a high-quality file for printing. Then click Download to save your final version. That's it. Now you know how to fix overlapping in Canva quickly and cleanly. Thanks for watching, and I'll